Listen to me carefully. If you truly want to speak English confidently, then understand this. Confidence is not a gift. It is a skill, and skills are built, not gifted. Every time you feel nervous to speak English, remember this. The first time a baby tries to walk, it falls. The second time, it falls again. But does the baby ever give up? No, because falling is part of learning. You are the same. When you speak English and make mistakes, you are not failing. You are growing. Don't be afraid of people's judgment. Their opinions do not pay your bills. Their laughter does not define your future. Their words do not control your destiny. Look at yourself in the mirror today. Look deeply into your eyes and say, I am a learner. I am brave. I'll speak English confidently. When you feel shy to speak, when fear grips your throat, close your eyes for a moment and imagine. Imagine the life you want. Imagine traveling the world, making global friends, getting your dream job, inspiring others with your words. Because English is not just a language, it is a bridge to your dreams. It is the key to unlock new opportunities to express your heart and ideas to the world. And remember this deeply. You don't need a perfect accent. You don't need big words. You just need your courage and clarity. Speak with your heart. Read every single day. Speak every single day. Listen every single day. Write every single day. Even if you learn just one new word today, that is victory. Even if you speak only one sentence today, that is progress. Step by step, day by day, your confidence will become unbreakable. So, stand up right now. Speak out loud. Practice with your heart. Let your fear turn into fuel. Let your mistakes become your teachers. Let your journey inspire others, because one day, very soon, you will stand confidently, speak powerfully, and the world will listen to your words, and they will feel your spirit. Don't just learn English to pass exams. Learn it to live your dreams. You're stronger than your fear. You're braver than your doubt. You are more powerful than you think. Keep going. Your future self is waiting for you.